Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online learning tricks and tutorials. So in this video, I want to show you my top 6 instantly paying survey apps. The survey apps that once you request your cash out, you get paid instantly. And now without wasting time, let me show you the list of my 6 top paying survey site. And of course, the number one, the king of every survey apps at the moment is AttaPoll, because once your account is healthy and running for more than 5 days, you get high paying surveys, and they pay using so many options, including gift cards, direct bank transfers, and so many other ways of cashing out from AttaPoll. And also they have an app for Google Play Store for those people using Android, and also on the App Store for those people using iOS devices. They also have an app there. But creating an account here, you'll need a static IP from your country account, and also you need a non-VoIP number, because sometimes they ask for number verification more than one time. So if they flag any suspicious activity on your account, they are going to ask for number verification. So when creating AttaPoll account, depending with your country, make sure that your country's IP network is stable, does not keep on changing from time to time, because you'll be flagged as a bot. And also make sure that you have a permanent number for verification for your account, which you can be able to access at any particular time. Also, sometimes they're asking for people to link PayPal, so always be sure to have a PayPal, which is a ready PayPal, which has not been used on any other AttaPoll account, to link your account to AttaPoll for payment. Because for sometimes, once you request so many payments, they ask you first of all to do a direct payment, mostly using PayPal. And also sometimes some accounts, they don't even ask for such for PayPal linking. It all depends with the activity of your account. If they suspect any suspicious activity, you'll be requested to do so many things: re-verification, direct linking of your account to PayPal or any other payment method that they request, and so much forth. So that's all about AttaPoll. Is among the best. Another one great account here is Qmee. I already have a Qmee account, but I'm afraid of showing my account details here, because I realized that sometimes I do review for accounts using my real accounts, and then my real accounts get issues because some people report my accounts. Yeah. So this is Qmee. Qmee is the easiest survey site that you can think of. Depending on your country, use a verified PayPal for your country. If you're using a Qmee USA account, make sure you have a verified USA PayPal, because during cash out, they're going to request you to link your account to your PayPal. So make sure that your PayPal is verified. And then once you log into the account, they have many ways of making money. You can make money through surveys. Yeah, you can make money through cashback. Yeah, you can make money through deals. Yeah, they said once you complete the deals offered on the account, you get rewarded. My internet is very slow; it's not loading the images very well. Then they have gaming. You can also make money playing different types of games. They have Android games, Android only games, iOS only games, desktop games, and so much forth. Remember also on AttaPoll, you can make money through playing games. Once you log into your account, I think they have a games option. I don't log into my account because of the reasons that I said earlier. So just like AttaPoll, you can make money through gaming. So if you're a good gamer, this is another platform for you to make money. And also when cashing out, yeah, you can cash out using PayPal. Yeah, you can cash out using what? Using PayPal and other forms of gift cards. You can see they have PayPal, Venmo, and so much further. But your country IP should be static. If you use a dynamic IP on Qmee, you're going to get issues with your account. Always use a static IP or proxy, depending on your country account. And also make sure you do what? You have a verified PayPal, because when requesting for PayPal cash out, they request you to link your account with your PayPal. Make sure the country PayPal is verified. So the second site which has an app and pays instantly, is Prime Opinion. This is the father of all the sites, the Prime Opinion family. There are so many of them, but I prefer Prime Opinion. And another one which I'm going to show you. You see the payment, they have so many payment options. You can pay using direct bank transfer, PayPal, gift cards like Amazon, and so much further. And they support so many countries. So before registering, just check whether your country is supported and proceed to register with your account. And the minimum cash out is $5. Here is around $5, and here is around $2 or $5, depending $3, yeah, depending the mode of cash out you're using. So Prime Opinion, the minimum cash out is around $5, and you can get paid through so many options: gift cards, direct bank transfer, PayPal, and so much forth. All you need to do is to sign up, take a survey, and you get paid. And then the best part is you get paid instantly. And also you can download their app. They have a very good Android and iOS apps which you can install on your devices and you get paid. So you can see they offer cash options. Yeah, those are listed there. Gift cards option. There are so many. I don't go through each and every method. They offer credit cards like those ones, and also can offer, if you are kind enough, you can even donate your money. Even on AttaPoll, some people suggest to be donating money on your first cash out so that your second cash out does not fail, but that's a falsy. I'm yet to prove that theory. So that's all about Prime Opinion, and you can make money on Prime Opinion using what? Taking surveys and also completing offers and also by playing games. For the reasons I said earlier, I don't log into my account because of the issues I have been getting after using my real account in doing reviews for various sites. So that's all about Prime Opinion. I don't know. One more thing about Prime Opinion, they ask for one-time number verification, and also make sure your country IP is not dynamic and it's static residential IP, which does not keep on changing from time to time. Once you do that, and then you have a one-time permanent number for verification, you're good to go. You're not going to have any issues on Prime Opinion. But avoid running multiple accounts on the same device. You're going to get banned very easily. So if you follow those instructions, you'll be sure to make you're going to make a good income on Prime Opinion. Now, my fourth site is called HeyCash. This is my actual account. You can see I'm actually working on this account. In my next video, I'm going to do live account creations on HeyCash using another proxy site which I've been testing lately. And so be sure to check out my next video. It will be about HeyCash. This will be the video will be about HeyCash and showing and introducing that new proxy site which I'll be reviewing. So HeyCash and Prime Opinion belong to the same family. The cash out options are the same. Yeah, gift cards, cash, credit cards are so much for. They require for one-time number verification. Yeah, before doing the first cash out or after doing the first cash out, and also maintain a static proxy of your country account. Avoid using dynamic proxies on HeyCash and also on Prime Opinion and all the other sites which I've talked about today. Always make sure that your country IP is static. Some countries IP keep on changing after every few minutes. Those are not advisable for doing survey accounts. Always check whether the network which is stable on your country when creating an account. Yeah, and the same price for cashing out is the same as Prime Opinion, but they pay instantly. And also to get Prime Opinion and HeyCash, they offer various bonuses. The more you earn, the more you'll be getting more bonuses as you go up the levels, and the more you be getting more high-paying surveys. So Prime Opinion, HeyCash, and AttaPoll, they give bonuses for people who are consistent in making earnings on their site. So these are very good sites. So we have a site number 4. So my site number 5 is called Eureka. This one is also a very good one. The minimum cash out is around $5. Yeah, and you can get paid. They offer instant cash outs. You can either get paid using PayPal or direct to your bank, and among other payment methods like the ones listed here. You see they have gift cards, bank transfer, Visa, credit cards, PayPal, and so much more. and their surveys are so easy and high paying. And also sometimes they require a number verification. They ask for number verification, and so be sure to have a permanent number for doing verification. But their surveys are super easy, and once you complete your surveys and you reach minimum cash out of around $5, you get paid instantly without issues, without any drama. So consider checking out Eureka surveys. Now, my last instantly paying app stroke website is called Freecash. This is the OG of many survey sites. They offer so many earning options. If you go under earning sections for Freecash, you can make money through by playing games. You can make money through completing offers, doing surveys, and so much forth. This is the best paying survey site stroke app in the world. They are the best in everything. The only issue with Freecash, it's before the minimum cash out is around $20 for the first cash out. For the first cash out is around $20, and you'll be required to do identity verification. So whichever country you register an account with, have the relevant documents to complete verifications. But you see, they have so many ways of making money. You can play games, you can complete offers, you can do surveys, and they have so many survey panels and so many types of games. They also have so many bonuses. They also perform the best performance in their site. They support payment using cryptocurrency, credit cards, so many options, so many types of gift cards, direct bank transfer, PayPal, and so much forth. So if you have documents for verification for your country, you can register on Freecash, and then once you reach $20, you'll be able to cash out your first payment. Then from there, you can even cash out to a minimum of $5 per every cash out after you have done your verification. So for this one, make sure you have a permanent number for verification, and you have the relevant documents for verifying your account, depending on the country location of your account. Hope that's very clear. So those are my top 6 best instantly paying survey apps in this survey world, and all of them you can be able to use them on a crowd phones like Duoplus or Vimos. So if you don't have a device which can be able to accommodate all these apps together, you can be able to get yourself Vimos or a Duoplus crowd phone, and you'll be sure that you'll be able to work on them. If you don't know how Duoplus and Vimos works, go to my YouTube channel here, come and search Duoplus. I have done a review for Duoplus, whereby I have shown people on how they work. Yeah, you can see here Duoplus. This is the best crowd phone for myself. I know people have various reasons, but I've tried out Vimos Duoplus crowd phone, and it's among the best. Then there is another competitor here called Vimos crowd phone. Vimos crowd phone, this one. So this one is also a very good crowd phone. You can use them on all the 6 sites which I've shown you earlier. I've tested all those sites in those 2 crowd phones, and they are working perfectly. So that's the short update I had for you guys about my top 6 instantly paying survey apps. Be sure to check them out and give me the feedback under the comment section of your experience using those 6 survey apps. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel up to now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be very much grateful. So guys, thank you for watching, and keep it locked to my next video.